Hello everybody and happy Sunday. Welcome to your Sunday Posh premiere. Today I'm going to focus on shoes, but before I get into the shoes, I want to just remind you that I have that special going on in Poshmark. It's 50% off anything that's $20 or less. So all you have to do is bundle your items and make an offer after you do the math. So you can get up to 5 things. So let's say you get 5 things and it comes up to $50. So you bundle them, you make an offer of $50, and then I'll accept the offer, and then we'll get the process going where I print the mailer, stick it in a box, and mail it off to you, and you get it within a couple of days. That goes through April 30th, and then the other thing I wanted to remind you about is the fact that if you are shopping in Poshmark, you can get an extra $10 off by using my code. And the code is BOPJNG. So it's BOPJANDG. So if you're a bargain babe like I think you are, then you will certainly take advantage of this special. So I'm going to move now to the shoes, and I'll come back again at the end and remind you about the special. Thanks for being here. First up, we have this pair of white mountain shoes. They have a little bling to them. They have an espadrille, like wedge bottom. These are a size 8. They have kind of like a suede on the inside, but they have the bling. This goes around the ankle, and these are available in the closet. Next up is these espadrille type shoes. Now these are a higher wedge. These are a striped canvas fabric, and they also have these strings that go around around your ankle. These are a size 9.5, and they're by 9 West. Like I said, the heel is a little bit higher on these. These are by Lane Bryant. These are like a white kind of patent leather. These also are espadrilles, not as high, I don't think, as the last ones I showed you. These are a size 9W. Size 9W. Next up is these sandals. They're pretty basic. They're like a black patent leather color. They have a low, kind of, not exactly flat, but almost flat heel. These are by CA Collection by Carini. These are a size 6.5, and they have this little tab at the back. So it's not like your foot is totally off the thing. So they're a size 6.5, available in the closet. Next are these ballerina flats. These are by Banana Republic. These shoes are a size 7. They're kind of like a faux suede. They have a little gold around the heel there, and they also have these cute little zippers at the back. So these are ballerina flats by Banana Republic, and they're a size 7. Next up are these with the espadrille on them. Now these are more flat, I would say. These are by Kenneth Cole Reaction. They have a little shine, a little gloss to them if you look at them closely. This is elastic. And then you have this little band around the heel that also has a little gloss to it. Kenneth Cole Reaction. And these are a size 9. Go get them out of the closet. Next, I have these sandals. These are also a patent leather, black. These have a little bit of a heel, not much. These are a size 8. And I don't have, they're unbranded. I don't have a name for them, but they're made in Italy is what it says on the inside. So they're kind of like the thong type with just a little bit of a heel. Size 8. Next up are these ballerina flats. These are by Halston. These are a size, let me let you see them. These are a size 7. Now they have like a little bit of elastic back there. I guess that's to keep them on your foot properly. They have a little bit of a heel. They're nicely made. H by Halston. Another pair of flats I have. These are by Gianni Beanie. These have a little bit of a point to them. And they're made out of kind of like a stretch fabric. It's like a blush pink color. Once again, a pretty flat heel. These are kind of like ballerina flats too. But they stretch. There's a little stretch in there. And they're a blush pink color. These are a size 6.5. Next up is these sandals by Comfort Plus. These have a little bit of a heel. These are a size 12. Size 12W. They have a cute little buckle on the front. You see that? A little crossover happening. And it's just a little bit of a heel. Available in the closet. Next up is these by Adrian Vittadini. These are a size 9. They're kind of a wedge look. And this too is like a faux suede color. They have zippers in the back. And they have like a soft, it's kind of like cork. The sole of, the inside of the shoe. These are a size 9. Once again, Adrian Vittadini. And they have the little zippers in the back. Next up is these, they're kind of silky. These are by Mootsie's Tootsies. These are just a regular heel. I would say it's about a 2-inch heel. Kind of like a slingback. A little strappiness going on here. So it's like a silky fabric with a little bit of, like an off color, I guess, so you can see. I'm not sure how to describe that. But these are a size 8.5, and they're by Mootsie's Tootsies. It's kind of like a goldish yellow color. I think that's all the shoes. Oh, I do have a pair of boots down here. I know it's not boot weather right now, but I still have these. These are patent leather boots. These two have a zipper at the back. These are Jessica Simpson. You see the heel. These are a size 9.5 by Jessica Simpson. All right, well, that's all I have in the way of shoes for you today. On next Thursday, I think I'm going to focus on probably dresses. So I hope to see you on Thursday. But just a reminder, go in there, use the code BOPJG for extra $10 off. And the 50% off sale runs through April 30th. So if you see this little pink button down here, go ahead and subscribe. And I think that's all I need to tell you. I will see you on Thursday. Thank you. Good night.